Hi, this is Matt with Shading Texas. I'm out in beautiful Traviso up here in Leander, and we put in this large patio shade, and you can kind of see it just kind of disappears from view, but it's actually this housing up here, and then there's a track on this side and a track on this side. And what's really great about this kind of application is that with these large patio openings, you get a lot of bugs, you get a lot of sun, but more importantly, you get a lot of the neighbors looking in. So a solar fabric's a great way to prevent all three of those things. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run it down so you can see what she looks like when she comes down. And you can see it's got that weight bar across the bottom that gives it nice rigidity across the fabric, but really it's the fiberglass core fabric that makes a huge difference. Fiberglass core fabrics are able to deal with the humidity a lot better than other kinds of fabrics like polyester, which you see a lot. But these fiberglass core fabrics are very strong because they're able to protect you from the humidity, but they're also really great for the wind. So it's a very strong fabric, and you can see now this whole entire space is going to be closed off so that they can have a really comfortable space that they can use almost like a new room on the house. So it's very convenient in that way. And then you can see it's just going to come down here and sit across the bottom. And the other thing I really want to show you is that with all this privacy, the first thought is that you're going to lose your view from the inside of the patio, but I'm actually going to show you what it looks like from the inside. And so you can see, you can still see through the patio very clearly, especially once I step back. You can see everything that's going on out there, but as you saw previously, it was very hard to see through here, but you can still keep that space. So if you've got pets, kids in the backyard, things like that, you don't have to feel like you lost that ability to see them. My name is Matt. I'm with Shading Texas, where we provided yet another customer with sun out and life in beautiful Traviso. Thanks.